Question number second, first part. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinitely many solutions? Given equation is is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. For infinitely many solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. a1 is 2, that is 2 upon a2 is a minus b is equal to b1 is equal to 3 divided by a plus b is equal to 7 divided by 3a plus b minus 2, and first equal to third. 2 upon a minus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Cross multiplying this and this implies 3 2s are 6a plus 2b minus 2 2s are 4 equal to 7a minus 7b. This is shifting right side. 7a minus 6a minus 7b minus 2b plus 4 is equal to 0, and a minus 9b plus 4 is equal to 0. It's equation first. And 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Cross multiplying this implies 3 3s are 9a plus 3b minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. This is shifting left side. 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b minus 6 equal to 0. So we get 9a minus 7a. This implies 9a minus 7a equal to 2a, 7b minus 3b minus 4b minus 6 equal to 0. That is equation number second. By cross multiplication, method, a, b and 1. Minus 9 minus 4. 4 minus 6. 1 2. Minus 9 minus 4. This implies a upon plus 54 plus 16. is equal to 4 2 jar 8 minus 8 plus 6 b upon 8 plus 6 is equal to 1 upon minus 4 plus 18. This implies a upon 70 is equal to 1 upon 14. A is equal to 70 upon 14, that is 5. Value of a equal to 5 and b upon 14 is equal to 1 upon 14. This implies b is equal to 14 upon 14, 1. b is equal to 1. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. Answer. Given equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and a minus bx plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. For infinitely many solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. All are equal. So a1 is 2 upon a2 is a minus b is equal to b1 is 3 upon b2 is a plus b is equal to c1 is 7 and c2 is 3a plus b minus 2. And first equal to third, we get 3a multiplied by 2, 3 2 are 6a plus 2 6a plus 2b minus 2 2 are 4 is equal to 7 multiplied by a, that is 7a minus 7b. We are shifting this in right side. 7a minus 6a minus 7b shifting minus 2b plus 4 equal to 0. 7a minus 6a that is equal to a, 7b minus 7b minus 2b that is minus 9b plus 4 equal to 0. It's equation number first. And 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. This multiplying by left side, 3 3 are 9a plus 3b minus 3 2 are 6 equal to 7a plus 7b. This is shifting left side, 9a minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b minus 6 equal to 0. 2a minus 4b minus 6 equal to 0. It's equation number second. For cross multiplication method, a upon, we find the value of a and b, but a first of all, this is second column. Second number is minus 9 minus 4 and third is positive 4 and negative minus 6. First that is 1 2 and lastly first is last minus 9 minus 4. A upon 6 9s are 54 positive plus 4 4s are 16 minus, according to formula, minus minus that will be positive. 54 plus 16 is equal to 70 and b upon 4 2s are 8 minus minus plus 6 1s are 6 is equal to 1 upon minus 4 plus 18 minus 4 that is equal to 14. But we get the value of a equal to 70. A upon 70 equal to 1 upon 4, constant number is equal to constant. 70 multiplied by 1 divided by 14 that is equal to 5. 14 5s are 70, so we get the value of a is equal to 5. And b upon 14 is equal to 1 upon 14. 14 multiplied by 1, 14 divided by 14, that will be 1. Value of b is equal to 1. Answer. A equal to 5, b is equal to 1. Answer. Question number second part. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? given equations. Three x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1 y is equal to 2k plus 1. For no solution. For no solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. A1 is here 3 upon 2k minus 1. A1 upon A2 is equal to coefficient of y is 1 upon k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1, that is C2, C1 upon C2, but not equal to C1 upon C2. For first 3 upon first 2, taking first 2, 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1. This implies k minus 1 multiplied by 3 and 2k minus 1 multiplied by 1. 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. This implies 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Shifting 3 right side and 2k left side, we get 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 will be positive minus 1 and 3k minus 2k, this implies k is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, then we get the value of k is equal to 2. But a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, value of k is 2. b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This implies b1 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1, not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. This implies 2k plus 1 is equal to k minus 1, but not equal to. K is shifting left side, 2k minus k is equal to 1 is shifting right side, but not equal to minus 1 minus 1, that will be minus 2. This implies 2k minus k equal to k and not equal to minus 2. Answer given equation 3x plus y is equal to 1, 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y equal to 2k plus 1. For no solution, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. a1 is 3 and a2 is 2k minus 1. b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1. c1 is 1 and c2 is equal to 2k plus 1. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1. K minus 1 multiplying by 3 and 1 multiplying by 2k minus 1. 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. Shifting 2k left side, minus 3 right side, that will be positive 3 minus 1. And 3k minus 2k, that is equal to k. then value of k equal to 2. Answer. And b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. In this case, 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Shifting 2k plus 1, multiplying, and k minus 1 multiplying by 1. Then shifting k is left side, that will be minus k, and 1 is shifting right side, that will be minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, that will be minus 2. But k is not equal to 2, and k is not equal to minus 2, and k is equal to 2. Answer. Question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Equation first. And 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation second. By substitution method. Eight x is equal to 9 minus 5y. First of all, we are shifting 5y in right side. Equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8. Equation third. Putting the value of x in equation second, we get 3 into 9 minus 5y divided by 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. 8 multiplying by 2 and 4, 3 multiplying by 9. This implies 9 3s are 27 minus 5 3s are 15y plus 8 2s are 16y is equal to 8 4s are 32. 16y minus 15y, that is y, and y is equal to 32. Shifting 27 in right side, that will be minus 27. This implies y is equal to 32 minus 27 is equal to 5, and we get the value of y equal to 5. And putting the value of y in equation third, put y is equal to 5 in equation third, we get x is equal to 9 minus 5 into 5 divided by 8. This implies value of x equal to 9 minus 25 divided by 8, and x equal to 25 minus 9, that is minus 16 divided by 8 minus 2. This implies x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to positive 5. Answer. Given equation 8x plus 5y equal to 9, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Substitution method. 8x shifting 5y right side, that will be minus 5y. 8x equal to 9 minus 5y, and x equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8. Equation number third. And we are putting x equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8 in equation second. 3 into 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y equal to 4. 8 multiplying by 2y, 8 2s are 16y, and 8 multiplying by 4, 8 4s are 32. and 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. 3 5s are 15y, minus 15y plus 16y, that is positive y, 1y, and 1y means y. 32 shifting 27 right side, 32 minus 27 equal to 5, so value of y equal to 5, and we are putting y in equation third. We get the value of x. X is equal to 9 minus 5 into 5, 25, divided by 8. 25 minus 9, minus 25 plus 9, that is minus 16, divided by 8 is equal to minus 2. So we get the value of x equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5. Answer. Thank you so much.